it is very obvious that the Labour Party means business and they are trying by all means to keep Tinubu and APC on their toes. They are not just talking the talk, they are also working the work. You guys would not believe the files, the documents that the Labour Party just submitted to the tribunal. It is right now looking as if this swearing in is probably not going to happen, or this swearing in would probably be, postponed. Before we go into the details of today's news, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can be the first person to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Help us grow this channel by giving this video a massive thumbs up so that it gets recommended to other YouTube viewers all around the world. Lastly, please leave your comments in the comment section. Without further ado, let's delve right into the details of today's news. Tension eats Tinubu as appeal court gives fresh updates over May 29 swearing in. A fresh lawsuit has been submitted to the Federal High Court in Abuja asking for a ruling that would forbid Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu from taking the oath of office as the next leader of Nigeria. Tinubu is expected to be sworn in by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) on May 29. Tinubu was declared the winner of a presidential election on the All Progressive Congress (APC) platform on February 25. Candidates from other parties assert that Tinubu did not win the presidential election despite being acknowledged by INEC. Despite ongoing proceedings at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, 5 residents of the FCT have petitioned the Abuja branch of the Federal High Court to stop the inauguration of a president-elect. The plaintiffs requested a court order prohibiting Chief Justice Olukayode Ariwoola of Nigeria, any other judicial officer, and/or any other authority or person from swearing in any candidate for president or vice president of the Republic of Nigeria until it is definitely determined by the court or in accordance with the Constitution's provisions that such candidate is ineligible. As part of their request, the court must rule that the plaintiffs and other FCT residents have a legal interest and constitutional right to be heard on the question of whether a president-elect must secure at least 25% of the votes cast on the first ballot in the FCT Abuja. A statement that no state in the nation may serve as the FCT for more than one proposal, including those made in accordance with Section 134, subsection 2b of the Constitution. A declaration that no candidate in the country's presidential election on February 25 may validly be declared elected president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria unless that candidate receives at least 25% of the votes cast in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. A declaration that no candidate for president in the February 25 presidential election may be validly sworn in as president and commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria unless such candidate receives 25% of the votes cast in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. According to the court document obtained by Vanguard, a declaration that His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari GCON as President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, his terms of office subsist and endures in accordance with the provisions of Section 135, subsection 1a of the Constitution after the February 25 presidential election and until a successor is determined in accordance with the provision of the Constitution and sworn in. Soon, further details will be given. You guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Leave your comments. Subscribe if you haven't. Guys, what did I say at the beginning of this video? Labour Party means business. I am sure that Tinubu, wherever he is under pressure, like he's on the hot seat. But Tinubu cannot, I don't think he can have any peace of mind until he gets sworn into office, because as it is, it's just not likely, because these new documents or these new petitions that have just been filed, there are details, like it has details in them, and one of the details is that Buhari GCON will continue to act as the president, and that the swearing in should be postponed, in essence, until the court judgment is being finalized. If a tribunal is not does not finalize, if a tribunal does not give its judgment, Buhari will continue as the president of a country, which means Buhari can just, go on and, continue serving as a president, as long as the case is still in court, as long as the case is not yet determined. And then it's also, spoke of the 25% in Abuja, and is also saying that Abuja residents should have a say. Abuja residents should have a say. I just feel that, our constitutions in this country, it is when we need the constitution, that is when the constitution will now start taking different shapes and form. Different shapes and form. As if, there is no purpose, or there is no essence of a constitution in the first place. How does the constitution say that, for you to become the president, you must have 25% in Abuja? And then people are giving it different meaning, left, right, and center. It's just really pathetic that, this is a situation that we find ourselves in this country. You guys, leave your comments in the comment section, like I said. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.